Anyway, yeah, you know the old school, you go to Macca's and you buy a coffee, and there's some little wonderful girl the other side, or guy, I don't know, and they get a little, like a stapler, right? And you give them this bit of cardboard, and they punch it, and then they give it back to you. I mean, that's fairly high tech, isn't it? You just give them a bit of cardboard, plonk. I got an M in there. When I get 5 of those, I get a free coffee. Nah, not anymore. You've got to go and get the app. And once you get the app, guess what? No one in store knows how to use it. We asked, I've just got to check something here. We asked 3 or 4 different people, how am I pushing there? That's it. 3 or 4 different people. How do I get my free coffees? Oh, you just download the app. Oh, how do you do that? Oh, you just go online and download it. Oh, yeah, good on you. Now, I'm doing this on a phone. I'm sitting there with a good mate of mine. We're having a coffee, finally working out, and then you've got to put a password in there. Oh, no, you've got to have 1 capital, and you've got to have a number, and you can't use this, and you've got to have this many digits. Well, I won't tell you what my password is, but it's not very complimentary, but I tell you what, I won't forget it. Anyway, then you've got to have a verification number. Guess what? They send you a verification number. I'm on the phone. I don't have a pen. How the heck are you meant to remember 15 letters and numbers upper and lower case and then punch it in? Well, by the time you do that, our verification number has expired. Please get a new verification number. Yeah, not a problem. Get another verification number. Guess what? No internet in Mcdonald's. Come in, free Wi-Fi. No, it doesn't work. So I'm sitting there waiting for my email to come through that doesn't come through. Walk outside for about 5 minutes, get the email, come back. Oh, new verification number. My mate gives me his phone. We take a photo of the verification number. I put it in. Guess what? Oh, your verification number is expired. Oh, my coffee was cold. My blood was boiling. And then I said, look, I'm not happy. I finally got it right. It took about half an hour. I kid you not. And I go over to the counter and said, look, I've finally done it. Can I get credited with 2 coffees? Oh, no, we can only do that at point of sale. You've already put it through. I'm sorry, we can't do it. You want to see me go off? I said, well, give me the name and the number of the franchisee because I'm complaining. Oh, well, we can put it through if you would like. Oh, what a polite. And then I got back and the coffee was crap. So that's it. Coffee Club, here I come.